YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer review video. Today we've got the Epson EcoTank 2760 and we are going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing this printer. This is a new EcoTank model that has been put on the market, and it has been highly anticipated, and also the ability to save on ink because you're going to be using ink bottles instead of ink cartridges. So if you wanted more details or you wanted to purchase this printer, there's going to be a link for it in the description below. If you were looking for any other type of printer, or you were looking for printer ink, go to my website, bestprinterstech.com. Any products or services that I mentioned in this video are going to be in the description below. You can pause anytime and go down there, as well as signing up for Amazon Prime. There's going to be a 30-day free membership. You can cancel anytime, but that'll allow you to get your products in much faster. That's really all I have for now. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if this video is helpful. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so you see that we've got some ink bottles that come with the printer along with the power cable and a manual. That's what comes in the box with the Epson EcoTank 2760. But let's get right into the actual setup of this printer. And really, there's just a few questions you have to answer. Your language, and then I believe one other question. Also make sure to just remove the blue tape right off of the actual print head, which is going to be right there. You just have to lift the scanner, the top of the printer, and you'll be able to remove that. Once that's removed, you basically are going to be prompted to install some ink. Now, I did actually create a video installing the ink, so I'm not going to go too deep into that. I'm just going to briefly show you here. But that is going to be on my channel, so if you subscribe, it should be linked down below how to install the ink on this printer. So you've got the bottled ink instead of cartridges, which is going to save you a ton of money. And Epson is claiming, based on your printing, if you have a low volume of printing, you will be able to print for at least 2 years with this bottled ink. But I would actually recommend, now you are holding down the question mark button once you're done installing the ink, but as I was saying, I would recommend that when it gets halfway that you start to purchase some new ink bottles, because that will cause you some issues. But you can choose to adjust or adjust later. For the sake of time, we're going to adjust later, and you're here. That was the quickest setup I think I've ever gone through with a printer. But this is not a touchscreen. You see that right away. You're having to use the buttons manually right there on the side, but you have all the functionality basically that you could want. We're now printing out a nozzle check to kind of see kind of the speed, and you'll be able to see how the nozzle check actually looks. So these are the white colored models, and there really isn't a huge difference as far as software between the black EcoTank models that were 2620 and then some of the other models that were a black color, but these are the newer ones that were launched. However, there's not a whole lot of new here as far as software. Now, I would like to think that they, with the second batch, that they have updated or at least, gotten good at what they've already started doing. But honestly, looking at the specs here, you can check that for yourself as well. And also, if you wanted to purchase this printer, there's going to be a link in the description below, Epson EcoTank 2760. And this is another pattern that we are printing out, and it's all black, so you can't really tell. Also, if you wanted to tell the print quality on this printer, I'm also going to leave a link below for the print quality test, which I do on my printers now on this channel. Just make sure to subscribe because I've got a lot of good content coming out, and that's basically it. We are now looking at the body, how it looks, and really you're able to connect some memory there. You're able to print photos. You've got 7,500 black colored prints that you can print, and up to 6,000 colors just with the installation bottles that you've got there. This is priced currently at about $230, and that is on Amazon.com, which is where I'm linking you to. Of course, there's no touch screen, but it is voice activated. If you go through the instructions, you can actually activate this with voice activation, which is really interesting. You got a scanner bed there, so it's printing, copying, and scanning. You can also connect wirelessly, which is great. 100 sheets max on the back paper tray there. Of course, with the higher models, which I will review on this channel in the future, you are going to be able to hold about 150 to 200 sheets. So kind of on the lower end. So if you've got higher volume, even if you click on the link for this printer, you can actually scroll down and you'll see the other ones that are able to take a higher load. You got a smaller display on this one as well. On the higher models, you've got a larger display. And yeah, so you've got the base amount of specs on this. This is for somebody who is wanting to use this for a home office, a small office. And that's really all there is. Any other specifications or details you wanted on this printer, again, that link is below. Also, make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com, and anything else I've mentioned in this video will be in the description below. I hope all of this information was helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. That's all I've got for today, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time. For this, for the laptop that I'm using, for this printer in particular, and anything else I mentioned in this video. So the first thing we're printing out here is a colorful picture here of the world map. And you can see here I'm using Windows 10, so I'll leave a link for that as well if you were wanting to upgrade from what you currently have, if you have Windows 8 or Windows 7. Okay, so you see our first picture we're printing out here. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Best Printers, and I wanted to welcome you to my channel. Here you will find reviews on various different printers, ink products, and other non-office related products, as well as repairs, DIY instructional videos that will help you potentially fix your problem if you're having issues with printing a certain color or an overall general print quality issue. I do have a product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, that will help you with that. Link in the description below, should be around here somewhere on the side. Really, this is a company that focuses on helping the consumer solve problems and acquiring products at the cheapest price possible, which is where my printer ink products do come in, which you can find on my website, bestprinterstech.com. So highly recommend that if you are looking for a new printer ink, or whatever it might be, search it up on my website, and also make sure to sign up for emails. Alright, so this is my website, bestprinterstech.com. Very easy to find. Again, link in the description below. But what you're going to find here is a variety of printer products, and of course you're going to find a cleaning kit, which is also what I sell on the website. But you can go ahead and enter your email address if you wanted to get updates on new product launches, or just some helpful information about your printer maintenance. I really hope that all of that ends up being helpful to you. And of course, when it comes time for you to buy a printer, or if you want to read up on a printer, my website is going to be a resource for that. Hope that this ends up being helpful. Again, visit bestprinterstech.com. Website so that I can notify you when there's a new product launch, when there's new printers that release, or a new ink product that I put out with a low price. I hope that I can end up being a guide for you when it comes to buying printers, and if you end up having an issue one day with your printer, I hope that I can be there as a resource for you to provide information, instructions, and products to help you solve your problems. I really hope that all this information is helpful to you, and I really hope that you end up subscribing so that you can and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I do launch a new product review, or whenever I do put out new content. Also, if you're here for printer repair, it might seem like there's no need to subscribe, you just need the video. But your support would be greatly appreciated. But that's really all I have for today, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.